Moving on to next type of questions. So this is basically also evaluation questions if you look closely. So this is if x square plus y square is equal to 40 and xy is equal to 6, find the value of x minus y whole square. So basically I know xy as well as x square plus y square, and I have to find x minus y whole square. So basically this is which formula? This is formula number 2, which is a minus b whole square. So I will write down the formula a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the original form of the formula. So if I replace a with x, because in this question a is x, and b with y, so this formula will be changed as x minus y whole square. So we are just replacing a with x square, b with y, so y square minus 2xy. So I know this value as well as this value. So the third unknown I can find easily. So x square plus y square is equal to 40. So 40 minus 2 into xy is 6. So basically this is 40 minus 12. So 40 minus 12 is 28. So this is your answer. So these type of questions are basically evaluation questions. So where you can reach till the answer. It is not simplified version, but it is the calculated form. So that's why we say that these kind of questions are evaluation questions. So moving on to question number 6. If x plus y is minus 20 and x minus y is 5, find the value of x square minus y square. So from this you are getting a hint that this is the formula of a square minus b square. So I will write down the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here we are replacing a with x and b with y. So the formula will become, for this question, the formula is x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So now out of these three unknown values, I know two. I know what is x plus y. I know what is x minus y. So I can easily find out x square minus y square. So put the values. X plus y is minus 20 and x minus y is 5. So you need to be very careful of the sign. This step is basically where the two integers are multiplied together. So minus is multiplied with the plus sign, so answer would be minus 20 into 5 is 100. So x square minus y square is minus 100. So this is your answer. Alright, so let's see this question. Find the value of x square plus 1 by x square when x plus 1 by x is 7. So in this question, basically we need to use formula a square plus b square. So but you might think that where is a b term? So we don't know the value of a b. So basically this is a very special case where the one number is basically the reverse of other or the inverse of other. So what does that mean? That means if I multiply x with 1 by x, my answer is 1. So those numbers or those variables, when they are multiplied together, so the answer is 1, are called inverse of each other. It is just like when you have learned zero pair concept and you knew that if the two numbers are added together, for example plus b and minus b, and your answer is 0, so those two numbers are called zero pair. So they are basically reverse of each other. So when we are adding them together, their answer is 0. So but in this case you are learning a new type of numbers. Those numbers, when they are multiplied together, like for example if b is multiplied with 1 by b, So you know that your answer is 1. So these kind of numbers are called inverse of each other because they are cancelled when multiplied together, and 1 is the thing which is left. So that's why we don't know the middle term or AB term of this question. So let's apply the formula. We know the formula is x plus 1 whole square. So sorry, let me write down the original formula first so that you are not confused. So the original formula is a plus b whole square. This is first formula we have learned. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the three terms we should be having. So now we are replacing a with x and b with 1 by x. So your a here is x and b is 1 by x. So if I replace a with x, it will be x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square. So I'm still putting the bracket so that you are not confused. 1 by x whole square. So now the middle term is plus 2 into x into 1 by x. Now if you see closely, this x is cancelled. So basically my formula is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So this is a very special case. X plus 1 whole square. What is the special? Why it is special case? Because in this formula 1, or you can say a, is basically inverse of b. So if you multiply them both, so you will get 1. So that's why the 2ab term is changed into only 2. So now I can put value of x square plus 1 by x square to find out, sorry, I can put value of x plus 1 whole square to find out the other value. So x plus 1 by x square is 7 square, and this is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So if I solve this further, so you can say 49 minus 2. So I have taken this 2 on the other side of the equation. So the final answer would be x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 49 minus 2 is 47. So that is your final answer. So now let's look at this last question. This is also very interesting question. So you need to find out value of x square plus 1 by x square when you know x minus 1 by x. So this is telling you that this is a square plus b square, but this time value of minus is given. So I will apply formula number 2. Formula number 2 is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now you can replace a with x and b with 1 by x. So the formula will become x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Now I know because a and b are inverse of each other, so basically they will be cancelled. Even if I write them, so they will cancel each other, and the 1 is the thing which is left. So formula is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So here it is x minus 1 by x whole square. So now I know the value of this side. There are only two you can say unknowns. So x minus 1 square is 3 square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So 3 square is 9. This minus 2, when it will go on the other side of the equation, it will be plus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square. Now I am changing the side of the equation. I can write right hand side towards the left hand side. This does not change anything. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 11. This is your final answer. So I hope this concept is clear, where you are using algebraic identities to evaluate different questions or different values. So keep practicing this with more questions so that you are having a better understanding of this topic. Thank you, everyone.